Let's have a look at 2 new releases in SEIKO'S Presage Cocktail Time collection. This is the SRPK48J, and this here is the SRPK46J. They're both smothered in gold tone stainless steel, and both are inspired by unique cocktails created by Hisashi Kishi from Star Bar in Ginza, Tokyo. This dark dialed model is named the Half and Half, named after the drink with the same name. The drink blends together Japanese ale and stout, with the dial of this watch capturing the creamy golden finish. And then this model with the lighter dial is named the beer Julep, which is a cocktail made from Japanese beer, whiskey, gin, sugar syrup, lemon and basil. What a drink, honestly. Just imagine you are a hard-working salaryman sitting in a small bar, putting a few of these away after a long day in the office, wearing this Presage model. Seems like a bit of a vibe. The beer Julep model uses a bit of a gradation dial, going from a deep golden color at the bottom to a light white color towards the top. And the Half and Half model uses a similar technique, with the edges of the dial being darker than the center. Now, these dials are super intricate. If you take a closer look, let's switch over to the macro lens. We see this fine brush texture applied. We have seen this texture on other Seiko Presage models before, and I think it's one of Seiko's secret weapons. It simply looks fantastic. The way it catches the light as I move it around is seriously captivating. I could do this all day. And upon first look, you would have thought the gold tone case and bracelet were going to steal the show, but it really is all about the dial. The texture just makes the watch what it is. I don't even really have to describe it too much. The dials speak for themselves. In the specs department, these watches include the 4R35 automatic movement, which afford 41 hours of power reserve, measurements of 40.5mm in diameter and 47mm lug to lug, make this watch fairly large, but not over the top. On my 16.5cm wrist, they're probably a little bit too big, but I reckon I could pull it off if I wore a suit. The bracelet links are smooth, and the butterfly clasp ensures an uninterrupted look to the bracelet, which is quite fancy if you ask me. And yeah, these are fancy watches overall. I mean, come on, they're gold toned all the way through, and those dials are just magnificent. So there you go, 2 new models to the Cocktail Time range. Let me know what you think of these watches, and hit the like button if you like this video. Now, if you want more watch content straight to your subscription feed, make sure to subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.